Kanina, malapitan. Here's Rayson, umatake, using the left hand. Basket and one para kay Kurt Rayson.
Challenge the defense of Axel.
Play of the game brought to you by Buenas.
Na hindi ka makakatest na hindi ka magbabasketball. Parang magkakasakit ka pag hindi ka nakapag-basketball sa isang araw eh.
Wow, a rebounding edge. This is the type of game that you, in the first free throw, kahit pumasok yun. Rayson fires, yes! Strip. Agawan sa bola, Rayson has it. Ahead to Gozum. Corteza. Baltazar! Justin Baltazar with a trademark throwdown at the Brenzy Giao Convention Center.
Great setup there by Miggy Corteza. Ang ganda ng pass back sa Delph.
Here it is. You can hear the crowd roaring after this dunk by Justin Baltazar. The Giant Lanterns up by 4. Commissioner Kenneth Bermudez and
Pasay up again by 1.
lamang na sila. That's a foul on Hilario.
Alam mo ang maganda dito. Ito
Game. Rayson. Nice two-man game with Baltazar. That time taking it strong to the cup.
Okay, Kurt. Lucky break there, ha?
Concepcion gets it to Rayson. Rayson is fouled.
Yung foul happened sa back eh.
Look at the series of moves on Son. Turnaround shot. Wala.
Mahirap yun. Mahirap yun.
Foul on Daniel Aguirre. What a game. Balti asking for it. Yes.
Yeah. Great high-low play there. And alam mo yun, gumambol.
Jamo Egilos.
I'm gonna like how Warren Bonifacio, alam mo, inalagaan niya yung kanyang fouls in this game.
Baltazar over Warren Bonifacio. Hindi siya talaga yuyuko ka na.
It's either yumuko ka na lang o mapatingin ka na lang sa taas. And the shot clock.
Balti, bagsak si Bonifacio. And they give up the foul. No.
So that's gonna be it, most likely.
A lot of contact there.
Push na yun enough already para for Pampanga. To sit the game, hindi mo alam kung kanino mapupunta.